Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your love wellness orders. Okay, so if you have placed your order and you want to cancel your order, okay, so first of all, when you place your order, you need to cancel your order as soon as possible before processing. Okay, if they already processed your order, then the cancellation is little bit hard, so make sure cancel your order within, you can, like 30 minutes. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, you need to click on your profile icon. Over here you will see this kind of window. In this window there is a option like order history, and you can select order history, and you can see your all the upcoming orders, all deliver orders over here, and you can select your order which you want to cancel or delete, and you can like choose the option cancel. If cancellation is possible, then they will cancel your order. If they will provide you a link, or they will provide you option the cancellation button. If not possible, then they will not provide you any kind of button in your dashboard section. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, or you can also contact with the customer support team regarding order cancellation. If possible, they will cancel your order by their end also. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.